Welcome to this review of the Runleader digital LCD hour meter. This is a great way to keep track of usage on your machines and equipment, lawnmowers, compressors, anything that you need to carry out regular periodic service on that doesn't keep track of it some other way. This is a fantastic tool for keeping track of that. So this is not going to rely on vibration or any other kind of wonky way of working. It's going to, when it's powered, it's going to collect data. It's got a battery backup inside. This one is also settable. You can set it with more hours. You can't set it with less hours. So what you can do, if you know you already have 100 hours on your machine, you can advance this with this button on the front and put more time on it if you need to. Connection is very, very simple on these. In the box, you get an excellent instruction manual, and you get some really good spade lugs with vinyl insulated covers. So hooking it up is no problem. The nice thing about this is hookup is super easy. You really can't screw this up. Anything from 12 volts all the way up to 277 volts, AC or DC, it doesn't matter. Polarity doesn't matter when you hook these up. You just connect them to the voltage source. When there's voltage applied, it will start counting time. That's how this works. So whenever there is power applied to your unit and the motor is running, this will keep track of how long that's been on. It's ridiculously simple, easy to install. It gives you a template in the instructions for the cutout. You'll cut out that square hole, pop this in, and you're off to the races. Hookup could not be easier. Anyway, I actually keep a number of these on the shelf here in the shop, just so that I can always keep track of new equipment as it comes in, and know when it needs servicing or maintenance intervals. So that's it. That's the Runleader hour meter. This one is settable, so that's why it has the button on the front. You can get it without, but that's not what this video is for. Thanks for watching.